I had to put in as much effort as you want into putting out a strategy. Bring to a boil till al dente, which translates to the tooth, so it's just done. Then drain it thoroughly, then drop it into a bowl with some olive oil and some seasoning. We used Nando's peri peri salt, but you may use any salt you choose. Pepper, garlic, chili herbs, or practically anything you like. Then some Parmesan cheese. We used fresh grated cheese, but you could use the dry cheese if you like. I've seen videos where people have done so. More Parmesan, since cheese is life, and a good old mix until everything is well incorporated. Brush the air fryer basket with oil sprayer, then drop the pasta in, spread it out into a sort of final layer, and then fry for 15 minutes at 200 degrees C 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 minutes at a time, until crispy and crunchy. You could also do it the following way without an air fryer. First, place your boiled pasta on a baking sheet and drizzle with olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano, followed by grated Parmesan cheese. Bake at 425 degrees for 8 minutes, toss, then bake for another 5 minutes. My cheese sauce consists of 2 tablespoons of butter, ½ cup of heavy cream, 1½ cups of cheese, and a pinch of salt and garlic powder. And this is what I refer to as pasta chips for the mac and cheese dip. Like and subscribe for more flavorful content.